flightless
penguins.
Welcome to Micah and Brad's Penguin Play. Let me tell you about the rockhopper penguin. The rockhopper penguin has a little crest on its head going out there, and it lives in the Falkland areas, like Falkland Islands and Chile.
Very good image to help us understand where in the world these things are found.
And its name fits it well because it hops where it goes, and it hops on rocks, and it gets his nest out of pebbles and grass. And here's a video that will help you understand the hopping.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh.
They're not used to it. As you can see, they don't get hurt.
So we're looking at two different species of penguins here.
Brad's and they don't get hurt.
How do they live past 1 day?
I don't know, maybe they have tough skin.
They're all chasing the same butterfly. Okay, now we have the emperor penguin. The emperor penguin can dive up to 1,700 feet and hold its breath for 15 minutes, which is about a minute longer than an average person. 14 minutes longer than an average person. And it can grow to be 4 feet tall, which is about this big. And when they come out of the water in this next video, you can see that the first penguin you see is going to come out of the water, and it creates a watertight tube out of air by releasing bubbles off of its back. And then, so then it can triple its speed, and when it lands on the ice with its belly, they get the wind knocked out of them, and the emperor penguin lives right here in Antarctica.
Does it live along the entire coast of Antarctica or portions? Do you know?
I think they live like around here,
Okay.
and that's where Micah's penguin lives. Here. And here's the video.
There is a mysterious ritual that dates back thousands of years. No living creature has survived it, except the penguin. They have wings, but cannot fly. They're birds that think they're fish. And every year, they embark on a nearly impossible journey to find a mate. For 20 days and 20 nights, the emperor penguin will march to a place so extreme, it supports no other life. In the harshest place on earth, love finds a way. This is the incredible true story of a family's journey to bring life into the world. March of the Penguins.
Of the only the chicks.
Actually,
Okay, I need 2 volunteers.
Carson.
Carson, He isn't here.
No. Carson's here.
Oh, come on. And Dylan.
Wow.
Okay. So what we are going to do is have you two pretend you're the penguin's parents. This is the egg, and you have to try to balance it on your feet.
And if you can do that, try waddling. Yay! I did it.
And
for
now,
2 seconds.
and now, if it touches the ice,
It will
barely,
die.
it will freeze, and you just killed your chick.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh,
I think it's harder with shoes.
Look at that.
And now,
Try to do it with the baby.
so say the baby hatched. Now try doing it. It's much simpler.
Yes. Oh, we forgot something. Yeah.
Can you walk?
Yes.
Squeezing it. Yep. Carson, can you do it?
Oh!
Bye-bye.
Okay. So now I'm gonna have Dylan try to take this chick and pass it over to Carson without letting it touch the ground.
That's what the male does when it's born. So,
Micah, watch out. Oh!
Now try it with the egg.
Hey, why is he stepping on it?
The same thing.
yeah. And then the slightest touch on the ice will kill it. Oh. They don't have anything to
Ooh.
Okay, so what they would actually do is they'd bend down and use their beaks to move the egg or the chick over, so they wouldn't have to just rely on where the thing moves.
Very cool demonstration.
All penguins have at least 1,000 feathers per square inch. Like,
This is about
yeah,
big.
yeah, that big. And they can
Hold their breath for 15 to 20 minutes, and they can dive up to 2,000 feet in the ocean.
And penguins huddle up in a group called rookery or colony, when, like you saw in the video. One penguin goes into the sea or gets pushed into the sea so if a predator comes like up with it, then they know, the other penguins know not to go in the sea, so only one will die instead of all of them.
And they'd really be dangerous. Okay, so this is what the penguins eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They eat a lot of different things like shrimp, squid, krill, lobster for tasty treats, and other small fish. So these penguins have bristles on their beaks, so when they drink the salt water, they don't get sick, and it pretty much removes the salt from the water, and then they have clean water to drink, so they won't get sick.
Trivia time.
Okay, so how many feathers do you think the emperor or any penguin has per square inch? Kim. See? 10,000 feathers. Rachel?
Hey.
1,000. Okay, the answer is A. 1,000 feathers. Okay, so we've got another question. Where do you think these penguins live? Like the rock copper and the emperor.
Kate.
And the answer is
Antarctica and
Falkland Islands and around and in Chile. So now, how do these penguins drink, and what do they eat? Cameron.
They drink
With
clean water.
with what? What? Yeah.
Oh, how do they drink it? Oh, they but
Like
they,
what separates the salt from the
oh,
water?
like the what is it? Bristles. Yeah, bristles. And they eat shrimp, small creatures, and fish, krill, and lobster for tasty treats.
Elena. This question. What do you think that is?
They eat like shrimp and krill.
Okay. The bristles, like I said before, that they use the bristles to clean the water.
Eat shrimp, squid,